Hi, Sarah. Yeah, I'm actually filming. I'll call back. I'll call back. Oh, I will. Yeah, I'll call back when I'm done.
So one more take. I don't wanna go too late. Scream up on this one. It's that kind of night, looking fine tonight. Let's get the timing right, girl. You.
Thank God. Today's products are. Some of today's products are sponsored by Boxycharm. Not really sponsored, like they're not paying me sponsored, but like I subscribe to their business. So I'm using the Sleek Life Proof Concealer, and we're just gonna use a little bit of that on the top of the eyes. I have damn, I sound like a man. So I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. I feel like it's been forever since I've done like a makeup tutorial on my channel. Lately, stuff I've been posting are very fashion related and just general conversation. I have not been posting. I'm sorry I sound like trash right now. I am going through a bit of a bad phase. I've got tonsils. I feel like shit. But I don't really look it, but I feel it inside. Like I just don't feel right, you know? So we're going to be using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and this is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is their Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. Super cute. The shades are flipping amazing. I'm so in love with these shades. This has literally been my favorite go-to shade. This and this. These two have been my literal go-to shades for the summer. I mean, just for the winter. Like, I'm not really much of a crazy fan of like bold bright colors. I try to stay away from that because I'm just scared. So like these two right here, I'm safe. What are their names? Storm Dust and Lunar Eclipse. So this I got from Boxycharm, and then this I also got. So like I said, this is a holiday glam tutorial. Please do not mind my lashes. Some of them fell off. You know, your girl's back on individuals. This is how I lose this is how I just generally lose my lashes. So while a lot of people are traveling like to Ghana, Nigeria, you know, like this is the year of the return, apparently. People are calling it the year of the return, you know. All of those people that have been sleeping on Africa, now is when they're waking up to it. Like, Africa has been popping, guys. Like, Africa has been lit. I don't know why it's only, you know, getting lit now. But yeah, do you guys also feel like this year is definitely a year of return? And if so, what countries are you guys going to this year? Like Africa, like Africans living in America, or Africans just in general in the diaspora, where are you guys going this December? You know, like, where are you guys going? I personally wouldn't mind going back to Africa. I would love to, because like, for those of you who know, in South Africa, December is not December, it's December. Ne? Yes, you have to emphasize the Z. It's December, not December, December. And as from the 1st of December to the 31st, there's 31 Saturdays. That's how we know it. It's once it clocks 1st December, it's the 1st December, 1st Saturday. And we continue with that vibe. That's the wavelength we're on in South Africa always, because December's like, it's mad lit. So I'm gonna go in with this darker shade with the Lunar Eclipse, this one over here, the orange. And these are very highly pigmented. Like, I barely picked up so much product, but yeah. You guys can probably hear some raindrops, drop tops at the back, because yeah, it's starting to rain. So yeah, where are you guys going this December? Please bring me back some goodies, guys. Like, if you're going to December, I mean, if you're going to December, wow. If you're going to Africa this December, please bring me some goodies, like some really cute goodies. Like, if you're my friend and you're in Africa this holiday, please bring me some good stuff. Okay, so for a bit of shimmer, we're going to go in with the shade Fireball. It's this one over here. I haven't actually used that shade, funny enough. Oh wow. Okay, so we're gonna take a bit of it and just pop it. Should I do middle or should I do cut crease? Oh wow. Oh wow. Ooh, I'm absolutely loving this. Okay. So now we're going to take a little bit of that brown shade, which is a Storm Dust, and just pop a little bit, ooh, got it, under the lash line. And then using that same Fireball shade, I'm going to then just pop it right under the lash line as well. Oh wow, I'm absolutely loving how it sits under the lash line. Yes. We can take these off now because I'm awake now. So we're gonna go in with the Cypress. This is an antioxidant dew. This is a serum. I like to put this on my skin just a little bit before I like go in with foundation and stuff. So for foundation, we're going in, I know it's a bit dirty, okay, but like I'm going with my Juvia's Place foundation. This is in the shade Angola. I just like to take a little bit. I feel like with this foundation, a little bit goes a very long way. And I've been using this for a while now, like weeks. So I'm gonna be using a brush that I also got from the Boxycharm box. This is my first time using these brushes. Absolutely soft and I love. Technique I'm in love with using is taking setting spray. This is the iconic London setting spray, and I just spray it on. Then I go in with foundation. These brushes are absolutely soft. So yeah, the year of the comeback, as we were saying. So I would like to know what you guys are going for this festive season. With festival makeup, this is, like I said, this is not something I would normally do. This year I do have like family festivities happening like towards the Christmas time, towards like closer to Christmas, but like right now I don't really have any, so I'll just have like a regular face on, nothing crazy, nothing too hectic, something that blends out, matches, you know, lightweight makeup, like just my everyday type of look. But yeah, I like how this foundation blends out. I really did not use so much of it, and this brush is super soft. These, you can, apparently you cannot find these online. I don't know if Boxycharm is selling them on their website, but yeah, bomb ass brushes, super cute. Concealer, I'm going in with the same Life Proof concealer by Sleek Makeup, and just pop it a little bit under the eye as usual. Did I say a little bit? I meant a lot. So what I then like to do is I go in with another concealer. This is from ColourPop. This is very light, but it says dark, which I don't understand. So I take a little bit of that. You guys can definitely see it is definitely lighter. So I just pop on a little bit, and it goes a very long way. And then again, same setting spray. It smells so fresh. Then I take my Salmon Nick brush from, what is this? Real Techniques. And then I just blend it down. And shout out, a big shout out to my country. This year we're doing the most, guys. We won the World Cup. For those of you who don't know, your bitches are African. Well, South African, Zambian, technically. I just have a whole lot of Africa in me. But yeah, man. South Africa won the World Cup, from Trevor Noah selling out Madison Square Garden. Like, that was major. That was big. We won the World Cup. Rugby World Cup, not soccer. Bafana Bafana is not really there yet. Yeah, man. Like, we're doing the most. We are doing the most. Like, we're claiming all these world titles. We're taking them one by one. One by one. One by one. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend the middle out. But the middle, I don't like using my brush because the bristles are too like long, and I want it to be precise, especially on my nose. My nose definitely needs to be like, you know. Okay, and then I go back in with the beauty blender and I just press that in to fix it all up, because I feel like with the brush bristles, you know, they kind of remain. So whenever I put like setting powder underneath, it makes it all like messy, and I don't like that. Okay, so I'll be using setting powder from Becca Cosmetics, and this is the soft light blurring powder in the shade Golden Hour. This setting powder is a bit tricky because it's, oh well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna mix it with my Fenty Beauty so that I can get the perfect shade. I tried filming a video once with this same setting powder and it did not come out right because it's too thin, and like if your makeup is not blended out properly, you can definitely see that it's not blended out. That's why I try not to use this one too much because it just makes me look a bit stupid. Go stupid, go stupid. So just mixing that all up. But it's all gonna work out at the end. I don't know if you guys can see it around here, especially. I got the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna use my True Complexion Contour Palette. Y'all know the real deal, and I'm just going to blend that all out. What I also normally like to do is I just take the same excess powder that's left on the brush and I just blend that all over. I feel like I'm definitely going to start creasing under here, but we're going to fix that. So for the lips, I'm just using a regular brow pencil because I do not have a proper lip liner. I just use anything that is darker and brown, and that can give me a good lip lining color. Okay, so for lippy, I'm using my NYX London lipstick in the shade London. Just pop it a little bit in the middle. I really need to get like a life size, a tiny mirror to put when I'm filming because I can't deal with this. Okay. And then I'm going in with the iconic London. This is their lip gloss in the shade. This is Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Love Struck. That name, Love Struck. This is plumping lip gloss, but I feel like I already have the biggest lips already, so nothing to plump over here, honey. So for highlighter, I'm going in with my It's Marere highlight in the shade French Toast with her BH Cosmetics collaboration, because sis did that. And what makeup collaborations were you guys really excited about this year? I was very excited about the Jackie Aina collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. They initially have great shades in terms of, like, you know, pigmentation and colors and stuff. But on the other hand, I was like, but I feel like we have this already. But you know what? The good sis did it, and we're just out here to support her because she did that. We're going to just set our face real quick. So here we have it, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, quick makeup tutorial for the festive season, depending on where you guys are going, what you guys are doing. But this is something I definitely like wear on a regular, except for the color, of course, but like I'll definitely wear this on a regular. So y'all, let me know what you guys think about today's video. And y'all guys, this is a festival season, so make sure that you guys are safe. I know I sound like trash. I've already apologized for sounding the way I sound. I'm trying not to scream because sis has got tonsils, and you know, with tonsils, you cannot disrespect them because they will show you who your mother is, you know? So until next time, guys, please do stay safe. Keep warm. Don't be like me. Don't be sick like me. Please do stay warm, and don't forget to continue spreading the love. Not fake love, but real love. Real love. L-O-V-E. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Hey, so more.